All right, so here we go. So again, not to beat a dead horse with the same stick, but 4-inch hose. Okay, let's go to your dryer. Look at that. Right on there. All the way around. Perfect fit. I'm having doing it at our house, we're having so much trouble. I'm having so much trouble to get it on there, and that thing is as sharp as anything. Because I've done it before. Cut the hell out of my hands trying to do it. So it's definitely something you can't do without gloves. But the 4-inch hose fits on the 4-inch round part. When it's up at the place that we have in the Roslyn, it's honestly a bitch to do. And you can't even get the hose on. I got this hose all the way on there. As much pipe as there allows me to do it, I can do it. The other one, it's being held on by a thread. Like I have to take the hell out of it just to keep it. And the problem is behind in the wall where that pipe is coming down, there's barely any room to get tape around it. Even after I put that in the place that I currently live in, that extension on there, it was a pain in the ass to tape that plastic piece up onto that metal pipe. And I don't intend on doing that with this new house. And this is, if I'm putting in my dryer, how am I going to do it? Gonna have to jerry rig it? Because honestly, that's not the way it should be. There we go. Like I said, I've been doing it with one hand. The other place, the other outlet, I had to do it with 2 hands and I wasn't able to get it this easy. But here I am. There you go. Back on there again. Perfect fit. Not really the case with our house.